Artificial intelligence is reshaping how projects are run. Project professionals now have access to tools that enhance planning, execution, and delivery. In this video, we explore what project management looks like in the age of AI. AI enhances data-driven decisions. AI helps teams analyze large datasets quickly and accurately. It surfaces patterns and trends that guide better decision-making. This reduces guesswork and increases confidence in strategic choices. AI and project planning. AI tools can forecast timelines based on historical project data. They can help estimate resources and predict risks before they occur. This leads to more realistic schedules and fewer surprises. AI in risk identification and mitigation. AI identifies risks by analyzing data from past projects. It highlights areas where issues are likely to emerge. This allows teams to plan proactive responses. Early AI in automation of routine tasks. Repetitive tasks like status reporting can be automated with AI. This frees up time for project managers to focus on leadership. It improves efficiency without sacrificing accuracy. AI for enhanced collaboration, AI. Supported tools can summarize discussions and track action items. They help maintain clarity across distributed teams. This supports consistent communication and alignment. Human skills remain critical. AI augments human decision-making, but does not replace it. Empathy, judgment, and leadership are still essential in projects. Project managers remain the stewards of team performance and culture. Conclusion: project management in the age of AI means blending technology with human insight. AI can accelerate delivery and improve outcomes when applied responsibly. Organizations that embrace AI thoughtfully will gain a competitive edge.